Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki kubor bam dagasni. Haka arpu artrik jemang arhajar apsan haka pondriu kat kendai beji minstem. We ubriu la yo eka SMS Lyngba ka phone na unamba bamla bantim. Ba Byrngem ban bun teli ki bom hapo ka Nongbah Shillong. Unong pa kubor ula penpau ba udik dukat jengkari boy gang. Maria yo yaka FIR la register case vite sadar PS case number 2901-2025 US 3514-3532-6012 but 1132B BNS Act. Na galiang jangka special operation team son jangka East Castle Hills marmar kila shimkia but belong ya ke jengkan raring kat ke jengiram jangki pulit na ki district Bamarchan. Haga arflai trik unailar arhajar arpsan hadin ke jengkan ra ka bashimiet banlap yau te ubriu ka special operation team son kelala ban zero down yau ba Edward Mayong uba live news nem na ke jakasa ba shipor jang u Halowa New Colony lait umkra. Ya ka phone na kabala pinmi ya ka jengper ngam ban Pynbthei bom na yo kurum bat kurup omla ban ong ya ka jengya dei jang u bat kanu ka kinhun ne no haga ni ka por na markidon ki saki ki ba pengat persha yu ki pulit jang ka district ki dang pelong ya ka jengken ra ka bajur habaro ki jaka haga Nongbah kentup ya ki kam kambing operation bat ka jengpen klan ya ka jeng pahara hapo ka district ban khanglat ikinu ki jengtmu ban penthut ya ka Republic Day. Halor kanela karpat jur ya ke jengya trailang jong ki pat ba. Na ka benta kinu ki pulit ki badan kam kerki ki pat ba ki di ban phone sya ka thanat bajantang ka police control room 9160091 96479 lane dial 112 na ka benta ka jengya rap ka bakloi jong ki pulit.
So yesterday we got a complaint that one person had received an SMS in which the person had threatened to set off a number of blasts within Shillong city, and the person had come with a complaint, and the complaint was immediately registered, considering that it was a threat of I think of which is critical in nature. So thereafter the special operation team got into the business of actually identifying the person. So overnight they've been working to identify the person. We finally zeroed down on the person this afternoon. His name is Edward Mayong, 37 years. We arrested him from his temporary residence in New Colony, Lyngba, and we've registered a case under several sections of the BNS. Certain incriminating evidence also was found from his possession, and we are investigating the angle of his involvement with any militant group. At this juncture, I will not be able to say much until interrogation investigation progresses. He is right now going to be produced. He's being sent for medical examination, and most likely and tomorrow he'll be produced in court. Yes. It's a threat. Before 26, these threats do come, and that's why we have to see whether it's a real threat or it's just the person who has just made up a threat. But of course, with the kind of incriminating evidence we have, we are not taking this lightly. What is this? Things are tight. I think you've seen the arrangements have started right from the first week of January. A lot of checking within the city and also in the outskirts of the city. A lot of combing operations have taken place in the border areas and in the outskirts of the city. Patrolling has been intensified. We are putting more men on the ground actually overnight. 24/7 people our men are checking and intensifying patrolling to ensure that the Republic Day passes off peacefully.
This arrested person has been
interrogation hasn't really started and all that because we've sent him for medical examination. So we've got a team which is put in place for interrogation. We'll come to know whether it's a group, whether he's a lone wolf, he's got a group, all that will come out later. That has to be investigated.
But is it a serious threat or just wanted to
See,
create fear?
when somebody says he'll commit a series of bomb blasts, I don't think so. We should take it lightly, especially in the eve of the Republic Day. So District Police has, with the guidance of our DGP, we've taken up all measures, and I think within less than 24 hours we have been able to crack it.
Is he an overground worker of the HNRC?
As of now, I will not be able to say for sure whether he's an overground worker, but there are all indications of him actually having leaning towards New Milton Group. So that will come out when we investigate. Right, we are conducting checking 24/7. We are conducting combing operations. Mobile and foot patrolling has been intensified in every place. Advisories have been sent everywhere. So all our men on the ground, especially now, we've got a lot of additional force also to actually help us enhance the security of the city and also of the district. So things are in place.
Is there any?
That keeps coming. I think that's not in the terms of reference of this thing, but yeah, that keeps coming of boycotting. But we'll ensure that there's peace, that there's security, and the public can come out and celebrate Republic Day. Fighting on the ground. And, we don't need to use surrendered cadres.
They're saying that cadres are being summoned.
Not true at all. That's outright false.